Hello students, this is K. Muraprasad, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, DBSIT, KAVALI, Nellore District, Andhra Pradesh. Here we are discussing the subject design thinking and we are in the Unit 1. In that Unit 1, this is the second video on Unit 1. Now this is about, already we discussed some of the topics in the design. What are the characteristics, what is design, and some of the concepts. In this video, we are going to discuss the remaining topics which are available in Unit 1. Now coming to the first topic here is, this is now in this design, already we discussed about introduction to design and then discussed characteristics of successful product development and then product development process. These three concepts already covered in the last video. Now in this video we are going to discuss the remaining three topics. They are identification of opportunities. Now the students can identify what type of opportunities are there for every product or designing products. Now coming to the product planning, how the planning is performed for developing the products. Finally comes to the innovation in product development. Now some type of innovation is very required for the product development or product development stage. Now these three topics like identification of opportunities, product planning and innovation in product development are discussed in this video. Now coming to the first topic here is identification of opportunities. Here students need to experience the design cycle in meaningful contexts where their designs and the solutions they develop are relevant to their own worlds. Now students are assuming, now this product is preferable, this product is better or something. Now for that purpose the students should involve the design cycle. Now develop the very simple things like some prototypes are developing, etc. Students should involve in their designing. After that, if those students can easily get the relevant type of words. Now one student require or one student interested in software development, one student interested in mechanical equipment development, one student is interested in electronic circuit development, etc. They should involve in their design cycle. Here, one of the key aspects of the design thinking process, already we are in the design thinking subject here. Here also it is also a process, design thinking process, is to be able to identify needs and opportunities for our design endeavors. Now, in this one, the students can identify what type of things are there, what type of opportunities are, what are the opportunities for the design purpose or design thinking purpose. Now here comes to the students need to investigate, explore and critique needs, opportunities and information in order to define the design challenge they are embracing. Now they have to identify or investigate, they have to explore some critics, based on some critics. Now this is about the what are the challenges available in this area of in the suitable areas. Having a clearly defined understanding of the design brief will guide students as they work through the design process and develop focused, powerful or purposeful solutions. Here, clear understanding of the design in brief is required for every student or every graduate or every designer or something. Those can develop a purposeful solutions. Those people or those students or those employees can develop the purposeful solutions. Now coming to the some of the opportunities or some of the things which are available, especially for identifying the opportunities. Here, design detectives. Now, here the design detectives are required for identification of the opportunities. Encourage the students to be curious about the world around them. Now, we have to encourage the students or employees or something. What is the world around us? To make observations and notice the things. Now, some observations are required to notice what type of things are available in the environment, in the nearby situations, or nearby villages, or nearby cities, etc. Take a walk outside with your students and expect them to come back with at least 3 probing questions. Now, the duty of the faculty or duty of the management people are required to take the employees or to take the students to the outside and observe something, observe the environment, observe the company products, etc. Based on that one, they come up with some set of questions. Like, for example, if your school people are there, why is the school fence is so high? Now, why you are going to take the fencing wall like that much height? What are the toilets so far away from the junior schools? Now, toilets are why, or what is the purpose of the constructing the toilets so far outside? How could we make our school yard look nicer? Now, how can we place the school nicer or beautiful or etc. Design thinkers challenge the status quo. They don't just accept the way things are, but are constantly on the lookout for things that could be improved. Every student or every employee or every management people can look for opportunities in betterment or improvement. Every time if you see anything or if you see any product or any environment or something, how we can improve this one or how can you perform better compared to the already existing products or anything. Now coming to the second one here is design brief. Design brief. Once a design need or opportunity has been identified, one design need or opportunity is identified, it needs to be defined and understood from a range of points of view. Now, first of all, we have to understand you have given an opportunity or you have given a design need. First of all, you have to design a simple thing or understood clearly what is there, what is the thing, and that understanding we have to define the simple thing. Design thinkers work best when they know what it is they are trying to solve or achieve. Now, first of all, we have to know what it is clearly. After you are understanding all the things, you have to innovate or you have to design a better one or you have to perform a better thing. Support students to frame the needs and opportunities they have identified as a design brief. Now, if the students are identified or if you are the students are students needs or thing, now you have to identify the design brief. Now, those things are combined and identified as a design brief, design need. What is the problem? Who are they solving for it? Why it is important? What is the problem there? Whose people are, which people can solve those problems, and why it is important? Why it is important to solve all these things? These to be identified and prepared as a design need in brief. Now coming to the next one, interviews. Now here, this is also very important thing. You have to perform some set of, prepare some set of questions after comparing or after giving all the things. Now coming to this one, design thinking is a human-centered process. Now it is purely human-centered process. Now we are human beings. We are always in a thinking mode. So we are always in a thinking mode to improve things, to perform better. Any service or something to perform easily, to perform within less time, etc. It's all about humans solving problems or improving situations for other humans. Therefore, it is important that designers understand the design brief from the perspective of the person or group, from the perspective of the person or group they are designed for. Now, the students or employees or any worker can understand the situation better. After only they can perform the identification or they can create the opportunities like this. Interviewing and talking to other people is a great way to understand how other experience situations and the specific problems they face. Now, understanding the situation and by talking so to the people which are in the same field is very important for the situation understanding as well as developing the products in a right way. Developing empathy for others is an essential and a valuable aspect of the design thinking. Now, you can see the every people in a good mode or positive mode. After that only you can extract or you can talk or you can get the valuable information from those people. That valuable information is very useful for constructing the basic ideas or valuable ideas or design thinking also. Students might formulate specific interview questions or spend time chatting with others, sharing stories and making observations about their experiences. Now we have to share the stories of a very experienced people or the top people like very earned people or people from lower background and now in a position to the rule the companies or developing a good products and getting pirates, that is etc. Now coming to the next one and fourth one, critiquing and analyzing. Now you should be a critic yourself. You have to critic why it is occurred, why it is happening, why this thing. You have to question yourself and analyze what is the output from those critics. Here, provide opportunities for students to analyze and critique products that already exist. Now, some products already exist. Those products, why it is occurred, why it is happening, or what is the problem in that one, what are the drawbacks of that one, what time it is taking. Now you have to analyze all the things. For example, you might bring along a collection of kitchen utensils and ask students to identify the positive and negative aspects of them. Now any item is there, any product is there, what is the positives and what is the negatives from that one. This could then lead to students being asked to identify ways to improve utensils. Now, how can use this one in a better way, not in the wrong way? What could make them better for who? Now, what is the purpose of that one? For who it is useful, and all the things are the things. Now, this is about identification of opportunities. Now, coming to the next topic here is product planning. Now, for everything, planning is very advisable and excellent task or important one for anything. Now comes to here is, in order to maximize his sales or maximize their expertise or revenues and profits, etc., a business firm must continuously adjust and adapt its products and services to the challenging or changing requirements of customers. From time to time, it may have to design and develop new products. Now here is to maximize his revenues, to get the more profits. Now designing attractive designs are very important for any products. Now product planning is the process of searching ideas for new products, Now, for the purpose of we are developing new products, we have to search for the new idea or any ideas which can give better products and then better profits, screening them systematically, converting them into tangible products and introducing the new products in the market. Now that is profitable. It also involves the formation of product policies and strategies. Now, planning process can get, if you are having a better plan or better idea, that will provide a fame or a name to the society, company or particular employee, etc. Now here product planning is the important activity. This one product planning includes improvements in existing products as well as deletion of unprofitable or marginable products. Now this also includes improvements in existing products, and some products are there, those products are not getting the profits. Now those can be removed by using the proper plans. It also encompasses product design and engineering, which is also called product development. Now it is also called as product development also. Here it should be engineering, design phase, etc. Product planning comprises all activities starting with the conception of product idea and ending up with the full scale introduction of the product in the market. Now this comes under every stage, from the initial stage to the idea formation stage to the product which is entered in the market and sales are performed based on the product. Now coming to it is a complex process requiring effective coordination between different departments of the firm. Now it is also very complex process. In this process, you have to coordinate every department or every stage in the department of a company or particular firm or company or something. It is intimately related with the technical operations of the organization. It is directly related to the technical operations which are involved in the organization or firm, etc. Particularly with engineering, research and development department. Now these are the key areas in every department. Engineering is key area, research and development department. These three are the very key areas. The efficient people or the efficient planning is performed in these areas can improve the student goodwill, that means the product goodwill, company goodwill or employees earnings are also very good. Now next, coming to this one, in the product planning. Product planning and development facilitate the profitability and growth of business. Now this will provide or facilitate the profitability and growth of the business. A very good plan will give number of profits. Now you can see Geo. Initially they launched the products with a free of cost, and the free of cost is reached to the crores of people. Now if you put 1 rupee, they will earn crores of rupees. Now the market of Geo is very bigger nowadays. Now this is about a proper plan can change the whole world's life or can get the profits definitely. Development of new products enables a business to face competitive pressures and to diversity risks. Now proper planning and proper implementation of those plans can stay in the competitive field. Now it is a purely competitive field. Many number of people are there, many number of companies are there. They are planning rigorously, etc. Now proper planning is required for every product or every company or every firm. Product is the most important constituent of marketing mix. Now product is very important component. Now you should maintain that one. You should do high or top priority to the product. Now coming to the finding and meeting the needs of customers is the key element in successful marketing strategy. Now, after developing products, now we have to maintain very good marketing strategies. The marketing strategies are proper. Now you can easily take your products into the market or people, etc. Now here different types of marketing strategies we are using. By using those things, we can easily market the all things, all the products. Now, thus, product planning is required for the following reasons. Now, here we are taking some of the reasons. For that purpose, the proper planning of product is highly important. To replace obsolete products, replace the already some of the products which are not having effectively, we can easily replace the products with the highly top quality products. Now coming to the to maintain and increase the growth rate, sales revenue of the firm. Now you can increase the sales, you can increase the revenues, and you can growth rate also improve by using proper planning. To utilize spares capacity. Now spare capacity also important. Now you put the spare capacity, otherwise you will lose the goodwill and you will lose the something also. Now for example, if you entered into the Paytm, if you entered into the ATM, it is not working regularly for 1 week or 10 days. Now, that particular bank ATMs can lose the reputation. Now, that is the main problem of this one. Now, you can improve the spare capacity also. Every time you are entering the one, now proper service must be required. Next one, to employ surplus funds or borrowing capacity, etc. Surplus funds must be there and borrowing capacity also there. Every time you get the borrow from any bank or some world banks or something, that is also very important. Now coming to the to diversify risks and face competition. Competition should be faced with the proper planning as well as all the things. Now coming to the innovation in product development. This is the last topic here. Innovation, it plays a major role. Without innovation or without a novelty, we are unable to succeed in the market. The novelty or innovation only we will survive in this highly competitive field. Now comes to this one. Product innovation is defined as the development and market introduction of a new, redesigned or substantially improved good or service. It's not only about developing something new and original. It's also about taking what's already there and making it much better. No, it is not newly developed. What is there and what is the modification, what are the drawbacks in that one, for that for improving or for giving this feature to that one, we are able to improve that one. Now this is also the thing. It's also about taking what's already there and making it much better. In other words, not everyone has to be the first to invent. Someone has to be the first to make them better. Now here is everyone can improve the cars or everyone can invent the cars, but some person is there, some people are there, those can better compared to the previous one. Now coming to the why new product innovation matters. Now why new products innovates matter? What is the need of the new product? Product innovation is a challenge, no matter what industry you are in. The road is fraught with the detours and roadblocks. The crash and burn stories are legendary. Now, innovation, some problems are there, some roadblocks are there, some hurdles are there. We have to overcome all the things. To summarize, in a complicated, fast-moving world where brands no longer dominate the conversation and consumers now hold enormous sway, innovation matters because It's the common language you and your customers still speak. Now, brands are there, brands are established. They are no longer exist. They always the branding is changing. Some people are using that brand. In some years that is vanished and then comes to the another brand, etc. If you are moving innovatively, if you are designing innovatively, now your brands must be there in always there in the market. Now that is very summarized or enormous task. Now, connecting innovation to business success. Innovation is always connected to the business success. Before you get into your customers, let's first accept that there are, of course, purely business focused reasons to innovate. Now, here, beginning to the or connecting to the customers, you have to spend a lot of time to accept those things and perform all the things, etc. for the purpose of innovation. It should be linked. Business completely focused on the innovation things can succeed always. When you invest in innovation and product development, you see benefits across your entire organization. If you spend the innovation in one field, you can get the lot of benefits to the every field also. Now, if one model is succeeded in a particular company like Hero or something or anything, now those benefits can get all the things. Once upon a time, Bajaj Motors are not purchased many people. Now, if the Pulsar comes, if the Pulsar model comes, the that is the innovation of the Bajaj. Now, after the Pulsar, the motorbikes of the Bajaj company are rigorously improved. Now, that is the innovation, innovative capacity. If you performed the innovative thinking or innovative concept in one department, that is applied to the all the departments which are available in the particular company or particular firm. Imparting everyone from executives to sales and marketing to customer service and beyond. It is applied to every department from top to the bottom or bottom to the top in every department. Here, in a recent inc.com article, here one article, in that article, the author laid out 4 reasons to pursue innovation as a driver of business success. Now, some article published inc.com, in that one, some reasons are specified. What is the main need for innovation in the product development or getting profits of a company, etc. The first one is expansion. Successful innovation begets more innovation, which by nature enables your business to scale and grow. Now, if your company is leading to be or naming as an innovative company, it always grow or it always scale in any dimension. Now, coming to the competition, the unique solutions you develop help differentiate your business among the competition. If you are developing unique solutions for a particular problems or different in various problems, giving a boost to your own revenue while nudging the entire industry in a positive direction. Now, totally, some companies like one of the telecom companies are better performing and innovative in things. This is applied to different companies are also. In some area, one item is popular. No, people from all the areas come to there for the purpose of a specific item. If you are not available in that shop also, they will search in the same area only. Now that is about you will succeed in the competition and then that item also get the rewards. Now coming to the customer retention. Innovation helps ensure that what you sell does not become irrelevant or stop meeting the needs of your customers. No, customer retention is also very important. Customer not going to the anywhere or not changing the purchase also. Now they will return to that product or that item or that company, etc. Now coming to the talent acquisition, it is also the important thing. Top tier employees want to work for businesses that are at the innovative forefront of their industries. That's where the action, the learning and opportunities are there. Now, top talent acquisition, top level employees, CEOs or managers or product leaders or project leaders are always they are in the learning stage and creating the opportunities, and then they are from ideas, their thinking, etc. will provide the benefits always to the company. Now, come finally, but while no company has ever said that it does not want to succeed. Now, every company is not having the idea, I'm not going to get the success. It can still sound a little alarm too. Hang so much promise on product innovation, especially if what you are selling is doing well and you are carved out a nice niche for your business in the marketplace. Everybody sees the market is there for every company or every product, etc. No, everyone or every person doesn't want the success. Here is a good news and bad news. Some you are taking some good news, etc. Good news is that you might be able to stay by for a while without needing to fundamentally change your offerings. Now, automatically the fundamental changes are occurring. The bad news is chances of that happenings are fairly slim. Now, the always changing happened some of the companies only. Now, this is about the second video. Now, with this video, we are concluding the unit 1. Now, in this unit 1, what is the design, how the products are developed, what are the characteristics of products, how we are getting the opportunities, and finally, what is the innovation, how we are innovative about all the things, etc.